So every lender requires documents as part of the process of approving you for a mortgage loan. Here are the documents that you'll generally be required to provide. W-2 tax returns, or if you're business tax returns if you're self-employed, for the last 2 to 3 years for every person signing on the loan. At least one pay stub for each person signing the loan. Account numbers for all your credit cards and the amounts, any outstanding balances. You're going to need 2 to 4 months of bank statements for both checking and savings. You're going to need the lender's loan numbers and amounts owed on installment loans, such as student loans or car loans. You're going to need the addresses where you've lived for the last 5 to 7 years with names of landlords if appropriate. Brokerage account statements for 2 to 4 months, as well as list any other major assets of value, such as boats, RVs, stocks, or bonds, anything not held in a brokerage account. They're going to want your most recent 401k or retirement account statement, as well as documentation to verify any additional income such as child support or a pension. Hey, look, as always, if you have any questions about the home buying process, please call or text or email us today.